If you have had chicken wings better than this, you need to let us know, because these were absolutely phenomenal. Just check that out. Let's kick off with some yogurt. Add to that some chili flakes. In with some cumin powder, sumac, salt, garlic, olive oil, hot bell pepper sauce. Give that a good mix. Should come out like this. Let your chicken wings swim in that for half an hour and stick them on a griddle pan. Absolutely phenomenal. Just make sure the skin is charred a little bit. Check that out. Go to Foodie's Mess for the full recipe.